Phi Phi Island, nestled in the Andaman Sea off the coast of Thailand, boasts a captivating history that weaves together tales of ancient civilizations, maritime trade, and modern tourism. The archipelago, consisting of several islands, with Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Le being the most prominent, has a rich and diverse past that has shaped its present identity. Ancient roots and early settlements. The history of Phi Phi Island dates back to ancient times when it served as a vital waypoint for traders and sailors navigating the strategic Andaman Sea. Evidence suggests that the island may have been inhabited as early as the prehistoric period, with indigenous communities engaging in fishing and trade. The geographic location of Phi Phi made it a natural stopover for ships traversing the region, contributing to the island's cultural exchange and economic significance. Maritime trade and cultural influences. As maritime trade routes expanded in Southeast Asia, Phi Phi Island became a crossroads for traders from China, India, and the Middle East. The island's inhabitants were exposed to diverse cultural influences, leading to a unique blend of traditions and practices. Over the centuries, Phi Phi evolved as a melting pot of cultures, with communities adapting and contributing to the rich tapestry of the island's heritage. Modern era. Tourism and conservation. The late 20th century witnessed a significant transformation in Phi Phi's history with the rise of international tourism. Drawn to the pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant marine life, backpackers from around the world began flocking to the island. The increased tourism brought economic opportunities, but also posed environmental challenges. Efforts were initiated to balance the influx of visitors with the need for environmental conservation. Phi Phi's history took a global spotlight with the filming of the 2000 movie, The Beach, at Maya Bay on Phi Phi Le. The film's success catapulted the island into the limelight, attracting even more tourists. However, the popularity took a toll on the environment, leading to the closure of Maya Bay for rehabilitation in 2018, reflecting the island's commitment to sustainable tourism. As we reflect on Phi Phi Island's history, it becomes evident that its journey has been shaped by the ebb and flow of time, from ancient maritime trade to the challenges and opportunities brought about by modern tourism. The island stands as a testament to the delicate balance between preserving cultural heritage and safeguarding the natural wonders that continue to attract visitors from across the globe. Phi Phi Island, located in the Andaman Sea off the western coast of Thailand, is an archipelago comprising several islands, with Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Le being the most prominent. This report delves into the rich history of Phi Phi Island, from its ancient origins to its modern-day status as a popular tourist destination. Ancient origins and early settlement. The history of Phi Phi Island dates back thousands of years, with evidence of human habitation dating as far back as the prehistoric era. Ancient seafaring peoples, including the Austronesians and Montgomery groups, are believed to have been among the first settlers of the region. These early inhabitants relied on fishing, trading, and maritime navigation for their livelihoods, establishing small communities along the coastline. Over the centuries, Phi Phi Island became a crossroads of maritime trade routes, attracting traders, sailors, and explorers from distant lands. The island's strategic location in the Andaman Sea made it a vital hub for commerce and cultural exchange between Southeast Asia, the Indian subcontinent, and beyond. Colonial era and modern development. During the colonial era, Phi Phi Island came under the influence of various regional powers, including the Ayutthaya Kingdom, the Burmese Empire, and later, the Kingdom of Siam, Thailand. These colonial powers vied for control of the island's resources and strategic importance, leading to periods of conflict and upheaval. In the late 20th century, Phi Phi Island experienced a tourism boom, fueled by its stunning natural beauty and idyllic beaches. Backpackers and travelers from around the world began flocking to the island, seeking adventure, relaxation, and an escape from the pressures of modern life. This influx of tourists brought unprecedented growth and development to Phi Phi, transforming it into a thriving tourist destination. Challenges and conservation efforts. Despite its popularity as a tourist destination, Phi Phi Island faces numerous challenges, including environmental degradation, overdevelopment, and the impact of climate change. Deforestation, pollution, and damage to coral reefs threaten the island's fragile ecosystems, while rapid urbanization and unchecked tourism development endanger its cultural heritage and natural beauty. In response to these challenges, local authorities, environmental organizations, and community initiatives have launched conservation efforts aimed at preserving Phi Phi Island's natural resources and cultural heritage. These efforts include marine protected areas, sustainable tourism initiatives, and education campaigns aimed at raising awareness about the importance of environmental conservation. As Phi Phi Island continues to evolve and adapt to the demands of the modern world, it is essential to balance the needs of tourism with the imperative of preserving its unique ecosystems and cultural heritage for future generations to enjoy. By embracing sustainable development practices and fostering a spirit of stewardship, we can ensure that Phi Phi Island remains a pristine and vibrant destination for years to come. Phi Phi Island, renowned for its stunning natural beauty and vibrant culture, continues to captivate tourists with a myriad of attractions. This report highlights some of the best and latest tourist attractions on the island, offering visitors a diverse range of experiences. Phi Phi Don attractions. Long Beach. Nestled along the eastern coast of Phi Phi Don, Long Beach remains a favorite among tourists. With its powdery white sands and clear turquoise waters, it provides an ideal setting for sunbathing, swimming, and snorkeling. Phi Phi Viewpoint. Hike to the iconic Phi Phi Viewpoint for breathtaking panoramic views of the island. The viewpoint showcases the beauty of the isthmus connecting Tunsai Village and Lo Dalam Bay, creating a postcard-worthy scene. Monkey Beach. Encounter playful macaques on Monkey Beach, a picturesque strip of shoreline framed by limestone cliffs. Visitors can enjoy snorkeling amidst vibrant coral reefs or simply relax on the beach with the company of these charming inhabitants. Phi Phi Le attractions. Maya Bay. Despite temporary closures for ecological restoration, the allure of Maya Bay endures. Visitors can admire the stunning bay from a distance, taking in the crystal-clear waters surrounded by towering limestone cliffs that gained fame from the movie The Beach. Viking Cave. Explore the historic Viking Cave, known for its ancient paintings and the collection of bird nests harvested by local fishermen. The cave provides a glimpse into the island's cultural and historical significance. Pile Lagoon. Discover the serene beauty of Pile Lagoon, a turquoise gem surrounded by towering cliffs on Phi Phi Le. Perfect for swimming and kayaking, the lagoon offers a tranquil escape from the bustling tourist areas. Ecotourism and adventure activities. Diving and snorkeling. Phi Phi's crystal-clear waters are a haven for underwater enthusiasts. Explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life by participating in diving or snorkeling excursions offered by certified operators. Island hopping tours. Take advantage of island hopping tours to explore the diverse landscapes of the Phi Phi archipelago. Visit hidden coves, snorkel in pristine bays, and experience the unique charm of each island in the group. Hiking trails. For nature lovers, Phi Phi Don offers hiking trails that lead to scenic viewpoints and secluded beaches. The trails cater to varying fitness levels, allowing visitors to choose an adventure that suits their preferences. In conclusion, Phi Phi Island offers a diverse array of attractions that cater to the interests of every traveler. From the pristine beaches of Phi Phi Don to the dramatic landscapes of Phi Phi Le, the island continues to enchant visitors with its natural wonders and cultural treasures. Phi Phi Island, nestled in the Andaman Sea off the coast of Thailand, boasts a captivating history that weaves together tales of ancient civilizations, maritime trade, and modern tourism. The archipelago, consisting of several islands, with Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Le being the most prominent, has a rich and diverse past that has shaped its present identity. Ancient roots and early settlements. The history of Phi Phi Island dates back to ancient times when it served as a vital waypoint for traders and sailors navigating the strategic Andaman Sea. Evidence suggests that the island may have been inhabited as early as the prehistoric period, with indigenous communities engaging in fishing and trade. The geographic location of Phi Phi made it a natural stopover for ships traversing the region, contributing to the island's cultural exchange and economic significance. Maritime trade and cultural influences. As maritime trade routes expanded in Southeast Asia, Phi Phi Island became a crossroads for traders from China, India, and the Middle East. The island's inhabitants were exposed to diverse cultural influences, leading to a unique blend of traditions and practices. Over the centuries, Phi Phi evolved as a melting pot of cultures, with communities adapting and contributing to the rich tapestry of the island's heritage. Modern era, tourism and conservation. The late 20th century witnessed a significant transformation in Phi Phi's history with the rise of international tourism. Drawn to the pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant marine life, backpackers